Use custom mirrors in your home decor. Your home's decor reflects your personality, and custom mirrors will add a personalized touch. For example, our technicians can use special edging techniques on mirrors for extra interest. You can also get glass cut to the exact size you need for a piece of furniture or a shelf. While mirrors have long been used in homes as wall art, there are other ways to use them to add interest. Create the illusion of more light and space. Mirrors add a sense of depth to small rooms, making them look larger. Adding a large mirror to a room that lacks a window mimics the effect of having one. Hang several small mirrors in a pattern along a dark interior hallway to add light. Putting a statement piece in the entryway will provide an interesting introduction to your home. Show off collectibles from multiple angles. Placing a mirror behind a sculpture or other type of 3D art will bring all of its beauty into full view. Custom-cut reflective panes can be placed in hutches and display cases to highlight favorite collectibles. Give a modern look to your kitchen. One of the hottest trends right now is using mirrors in the kitchen. Small mirrored tiles are great for creating a mosaic design for a backsplash. They also work great in otherwise open cabinet doors to conceal the contents. Dress up your closet or bathroom. Changing out the bathroom mirror can transform the space. For instance, hanging a smaller oval mirror over a pedestal sink can give the bathroom a whole new look. Installing one in your closet can make the area feel like a luxurious dressing room. From making a room look bigger, to directing attention to your favorite work of art, custom mirrors can be a great addition to your home. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.